In Part 3 of our battery and electrical upgrade, we're going to remove our power cord reel for several reasons, which we outlined in Part 1, our project intro video. This Glendinning reel was standard equipment on our RV, and it's provided flawless service over the past 13 years. It hangs from above and coils the cord into the large round bin underneath it. But the bin uses space that we need for other gear. As we mentioned, we keep our Hughes Autoformer in here, but that location has never been ideal because it prevents us from easily using our cord reel. Now that we need even more room down here for our new solar controller, it's time to make a change. In preparation for the big Xantrex Freedom eGen lithium battery installation, which we'll be featuring in Part 4, we'll be removing our cord reel today. After the reel comes out, we'll be installing 1/2 of the Hughes internal mounting kit. That will allow us to use our 50 amp extension cord temporarily until we get our new reel installed. Not only will the new Glendinning reel keep the cord coiled up completely above the floor of the compartment, but it will add 15 feet of length over our old one for a total of 50 feet of cord. We'll tell you more about the new reel when we install it in Part 5, when we'll also be installing the second half of our Hughes internal mounting kit. First, we'll remove our autoformer. Then unroll almost the entire length of the cord from the bin. We'll use an Allen wrench to loosen the strain relief that stops the cord from overextending. And then remove the 3 screws that hold the bin down to the floor of the compartment. Now we can pull the bin out, adjusting the position of the cord in and out as needed to allow some slack in the line where it passes through the wall of the bin. Now we can see the entire path of the cord. Up and into the power reel. Down into the bin. Out through a hole at the bottom. Into our surge protector. And into the RV's power transfer switch. We'll be leaving our surge protector in place for the time being, and simply removing the 4 wires here. We'll take this strain relief out. Then loosen the 4 screws that connect the power cord wires to the surge protector. The reel also gets 12-volt power, which rolls the cord in and out. We've already disconnected that, so now we can unbolt the reel from the wall and take it down. It's a bit heavy, so if you don't need to leave a clear line of sight for shooting video, a helper can make this job a little easier. That red wire on top is the 12-volt power that we've already disconnected. Now we'll install the male side of the Hughes internal mounting kit into our surge protector. The ends of each wire are already prepped, so you can just remove the short pieces of insulation and it's ready to install. Simply match the wire colors. Green to green, red to red, white to white, and black to black, and be sure to tighten the connections firmly. Our Glendinning reel has never let us down, and surely has lots of useful life left in it, so we'll be sure to find a good home for it. Now our electrical compartment is wide open. We can put our Hughes Autoformer back in place, plug in the internal wiring kit, and connect to our 50 amp extension cord to plug into shore power. This also makes access much easier for running the necessary wiring for the lithium battery and installing our new solar controller. Be sure to tune in for Part 4, where we'll be doing the final preparation of the battery compartment, fearlessly cutting holes in our walls, installing the lithium control panel, running the many cables that connect the entire system, installing the BMS, the brains of the entire operation, and of course, installing the Xantrex Freedom eGen lithium battery itself. Once that's complete, we'll install our beautiful new Glendinning reel in Part 5, and we'll of course be providing updates on the entire system as we get more experience with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and turn on channel notifications. If you'd like to support the production of these videos, get access to special premium content, and even get your name in the credits, please visit us at patreon.com/RVgeeks to find out how you can play a part in helping us create more content for our fellow RVers. A special thanks to everyone who's already done that. As always, safe travels, and thanks for watching.